Hi everyone, welcome back to Cam Fast, and today we're going to be unwrapping a little surprise under wraps, and we're also going to be reviewing my Fidget toys. For the under wraps, we're going to be getting 15 surprises, so let's see what we get. Okay everyone, so I found the LOL dolls list that you could get, and I hope I get Durla. Alright everyone, so we needed codes. This one is for this one, this one is for this one, this one is for this one, and this one is for this one. So we're gonna try to figure out the codes. Alright everyone, we are gonna be opening the surprises that we got. Okay, you got the outfit. Her bottle. Her cap. Her shoes. Yes, and this is her outfit. Alright, now let's unwrap the character. Alright. Alright, so I think we got Candy Cutie. That's her name. Alright, so I'm gonna be reviewing my Fidget toys. I recommend you guys buying this because it relieves stress, anxiety, and it's a fun way to relax. I like hearing when you pop it. It's satisfying for me. Another cool thing is once you pop them all, you can just flip it around and pop them all in. So that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.